Everybody, and welcome to Studio 64. My name's David. I've been searching the interzones for some more science, space, and tech news to share with you. And I came across this over at Technoscience. This should be interesting. Yes, a salty ocean hidden beneath the surface of Pluto. Excellent. Yes, for decades, scientists believed Pluto could not host an ocean due to its surface temperature of around minus 364 Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius, a temperature so cold that even gases like nitrogen and methane solidify. Liquid water seemed highly improbable. However, a subsurface liquid water ocean on Pluto is being unveiled thanks to new research by Alex Nguyen. I hope I've pronounced your name there right, Alex. I hope so. A student in Earth, Environmental and Planetary Sciences at Washington University in St. Louis. I'm wondering if this is because does Pluto have a molten core that could keep the water warm? Is that possible? Stop from freezing? Don't know. Not an astronomer or astrophysicist. Not a scientist myself. Just love sharing all science. Let us know down in the comments if you know more. And there is a salty ocean hidden beneath the surface of Pluto. And there's Pluto. Oh, poor Pluto. Demoted as a planet. Sad. Yeah, I've always liked Pluto. Cool. There we go. In a study published in the journal Icarus, Alex Nguyen uses mathematical models and images from the New Horizons probe, which flew by Pluto in 2015, to closely examine the ocean likely lying beneath a thick layer of nitrogen ice, methane ice, and water ice. Patrick McGovern of the Lunar and Planetary Institute in Houston is a co-author of the study. Now, as usual, I'll leave a link to the main article below the video so you can pop in, check out the embedded links, go for a bit of a deeper dive if you want. Makes for a very interesting read, believe me. Now, due to its small size, Pluto should have lost almost all of its heat shortly after its formation, quickly becoming a frozen body down to its core. However, clues gathered by scientists, including Pluto's cryovolcanoes that eject ice and water vapor, suggests the probable presence of a liquid ocean beneath the ice. The new study examines this ocean in detail, though it is too deep to be observed directly. Nguyen and McGovern developed mathematical models to explain the cracks and bumps in the ice covering Pluto's Sputnik Planitia Basin, the site of a meteoric collision several billion years ago. Their calculations suggest that the ocean lies beneath a 25 to 50 mile or 40 to 80 kilometre thick layer of ice, a shield that prevents the water from freezing completely. Oh, that's why. Cool. They also calculated the probable density or salinity of this ocean based on the fractures observed on the surface. They estimate that Pluto's ocean is, at most, about 8% denser than Earth's seawater, roughly the same density as the Great Salt Lake in Utah. Now, Nguyen explains that this level of density justifies the abundance of observed fractures. If the ocean were less dense, the ice layer would collapse, creating more fractures. If the ocean were denser, there would be fewer fractures. Oh, interesting. And that source is from Icarus, which is very, very interesting indeed. Yeah, as I say, not a scientist myself, just love sharing science stories, and to think that there could be an ocean under the surface of Pluto is very exciting. As I say, it gets me all hot and bothered down in my nerdy nether regions. But then again, my personal life is no concern of yours. Yeah, that's absolutely fascinating, isn't it? Love to hear your thoughts on it. All right, well, my name is David. Thanks for joining me for another Studio 64 Science, Space and Tech News Update. I shall see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you're up for it, drop a comment down below the video because I'd love to hear what you think. All right, take care. And as I always say, if you can't be good at it. And as I also always say,
a most fascinating thing happened.